Hello students, I am your maths teacher Ohit Samanto. How are you? Hope you are all well and safe in your home. Today we learn the first chapter of your math magic book. Okay? So please take your book and pencil with you. Okay? So our today's chapter is the fish tail. Fish, you know everybody. Most of us favorite dish also fish. And tail, what is the meaning of tail? Before going to hear meaning of tail, we have listened tail here. Look, T-A-L-E tail and here T-A-I-L. Pronunciation same but look the spelling different. So what is the meaning of T-A-L-E tail? Tail means a story and T-A-I-L tail. Tail means the part at the end of the body of an animal, bird, fish, etc. So what is the meaning of our chapter? The fish tail. The fish tail meaning is a story of fish. A story related to fish. Okay, my dear student. Okay, now open your book, page number 1. Okay, from your math magic book, open page number 1. Okay, and take a pencil with you. Now, read with me. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. This special poem in 3 lines is called a haiku. What is this? This is a haiku. Okay, such poems about nature are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. The lake comes smooth still, a fish jumps up and returns, ripples the sea. Okay, what this says? The lake, that is the water of the lake is calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps up and returns to the water, and ripples shake the lake. Ripples means what? Ripples means wave. Ripples means wave. W-A-V E. Wave. Waves shake the lake. You have noticed that if you drop a stone in a water, or you seen the circular waves around it. Okay, similarly here, when the fish jumps up and return to the water, then the waves shake the lake. Do you know any poem about fish? Do you know? Who knows any poem related to fish? I know most of you know very good poems also. Okay, let's read another poem related to fish. Okay, so what is that poem? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So, which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Very interesting. Okay, so you prepare another poem also. Okay, now look for the fish designs around you, on cloth, in painting, on mats, etc. You have noticed that on cloth, here also you can see that some designs which is by fish. Okay, Mean means a fish and Meenakshi is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. So mean, M-E-E-N, mean means a fish. Okay, and Meenakshi is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. Can you think of someone who has such eyes? So in your class, have you seen someone who has eyes like fish? Maybe in your class or maybe around of you. Okay, draw a face with fish eyes. So you draw. Okay, now fishes can have very different size. Okay, the smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. So the smallest fish is about 1 centimeter. You know, 1 centimeter is just very small. Okay, have you seen these types of fish? Okay, how long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? So one biggest fish like this, one big like this. Big, okay, big fish. You have seen up to this big, up to this. Okay, let's see what is the biggest fish. Okay, how many times longer is your big fish than the smaller fish? Okay, now the biggest fish is the whale shark. So what is the biggest fish? The biggest fish is the whale shark. Okay, it is actually not a whale, but it is a big fish. Look here, you can see also how big this whale. Okay, look how beautiful it is also. Look its mouth. Okay, whale are different from fish. Okay, so what is the difference? Whale breathe like we do through their noses, but fishes have no noses and they take in water, not air. Whales give birth to babies, but fish lay eggs. The whale shark fish looks big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. It does not attack humans. Okay, so here we have learned some uh, we have learned the about whales, how whales birth, how whales breathe. Okay, now one whale shark was as long as 18 meter. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size is standing on top of the other. So first one child, then another child, then another child. Similarly, if 12 children is standing, this height will be equal to the size of a one whole whale shark. Understand? Okay, so 18 meter. So 18 meter. Understand how it is long? How much it is long? Well, much more than what 12 of you together weigh. Its weight is about 16,000 kg. Can you imagine how heavy is 16,000 kg? Okay, come to this question. About how many kilogram do you weight? How many kilogram do you weight? Oh, suppose you are about 30 kg. About my handwriting is bad here. Please cooperate. Okay, about 30 kg. Please students write it on your book by pencil. Okay, your weight is about 30 kg. So 12 children like you, that means 12 children, each of the child have weight 30 kg. Put together will weigh about dash kg. So if one child weight 30 kg, what will be the weight of 12 children? Yes, I know that you know how to find what is the weight of 12 children. So what will do? Multiply. So 12 multiplied by 30. What will be the answer? 360. 360. So you please write this whole process here. You write this whole process here. Okay, right here the answer 360 kg. Okay, write the calculation also, don't write only the answer. Okay, now about how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? So how much more? So when it is given how much more, what we have to do? Yes, we have to do subtraction. Okay, so what is the weight of one whale shark? 16,000. 16,000. You please note down it in your book. Sub minus what is the weight of 12 children? Here 360. 3 6 0. Now this is for your homework. Do the calculation at home. I know some students are very fast, they are already done the subtraction. Okay, and don't forget to write the unit kg. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, so we find how much more does the whale shark. So the whale shark weight dash kg more than 12 children like you put together. Okay, very good. Is it not interesting? Yes. Look, we have started this chapter with a poem, then we read some story, then inside it we find a problem. Okay, we find problem. What problem? Okay, so that's why it is very interesting. We have to learn in this way so that you read the story and you also solve the math. Okay, next is the fish tail. Look here, the spelling of the tail. So what is fish tail? Okay, so to see the difference between the whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that the fish tail stands flat along its body, but the tail of the whale almost looks like two legs? Can you spot the fish in the picture? Yes, I know you are finding the picture, sir. We are not get that picture what it is in the video. It is not match with our book. Yes, don't worry student, I have changed the picture. Okay, and I also show you the picture what is given in your book. Now we will understand with this picture. Okay, look, this is a whale shark and this is a fish. The fish tail, look here, and the tail of whale shark. So what is given? The fish tail stands flat, stands flat. Look, this is like flat, straight. Okay, but the tail of whale almost like two legs. Look, this is flat body, but the tail is like this, almost like two legs. Like, look, this is this side and this is actually this side. If I am clearly shown you here, wait, look, this is the body and one is this side and another is this side. Okay, like it's two legs. So this is the difference between whale shark and fish with the tail. Okay, now I am showing you that. Yes, now I have seen the smile on your face that you now you get the picture what is given in your book. Yes, this picture you also mark in this way. This is the tail, this is the tail. Look, so different fishes have the different tail. Okay, here some another picture I have given. Okay, now here 9 tails given. Look, all are different. So from here what we can conclude, that different fishes have different tails. Okay, the shape of the tails of different fishes are different. Look here, this is the shape. Here it is straight. Here look this. Okay, here like W, here like this curve. Okay, so you notice it. Okay, when your father will buy fish, you see the tails definitely. Okay, now is it clear, my dear student? Okay, now one interesting topic, that is schools of fish. Schools of fish. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called schools of fish. So generally, our school, Arambag Vivekananda Academy, here so many students come here to learn, okay, to study. Okay, so similarly, so fishes have school like you. They go to school with bag, book. They have no. Actually, here school indicates a group of fish. Okay, a group of fish. So okay, so in school you have seen there, in one school there is not only one child. In school there are so many children. Okay, similarly in a schools of fish, that means there are group of fish. Why? In their school they feel safe from bigger fish. Sometimes in water the bigger fish eat the smaller fish. Okay, so if they moves alone in water, they can be attacked by big fish. So if they move in a group, okay, they feel safe. Okay, they feel safe from the bigger fish. Okay, now I am showing you one video clip by which the schools of fish you will understand better. Okay, here is the video. Yes, look, inside water, look the fish. Look, the fishes are not very big, they are small in size, but they moving in a group. Okay, they are moving in a group. They moves like that. They are a big fish. Okay, they are moving in a group. How beautiful fishes here. Okay, have you seen have you seen these types of groups? Okay, is it clear? Okay, now we will go to the next page. Turn your page. Okay, to scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up lot of water, swell up and look big. Look, sometimes, so to scare away bigger fish, so what the smaller fish done? Look, they drink up water. Look, the blue color indicates here the water. When it's take this amount of water, this is the size. When it's take more water, then the size increase. Again it, when it takes more water, then the second one, it looks also big. It looks bigger than this. Okay, so when it looks bigger, so it looks like big fish, so it is safe from the big fish. Okay, now Jinsi use these shapes to make drawing of fish. Now you also use some shapes to draw the different sea animals shown below. Here we will see Now different sea animal, look, it is given here. Okay, and next page also we have seen, look, already it is given, octopus, prawn, jellyfish, silver crab, squid, like this all are sea animals. Which of these sea animals have you seen before? Okay, so you please write the answer here and I will ask you later. Okay, dear student. Okay, so up to this it is your today's lesson. Hope you understand well, prepare it, and stay safe in your home. Thank you. We will see on the next video. Thank you.